How to change lock screen password on Android quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. On some Android devices, this option may simply be called Security. Next, tap Device Unlock or Screen Lock. If prompted, enter your current lock screen password, PIN, or pattern to continue. Now, select Change Password or choose Password from the available screen lock options. Enter your new password, then type it again to confirm. Make sure to choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Once you've confirmed the new password, tap Done, Save, or Confirm, depending on your phone. Your new lock screen password will be applied immediately. To make sure everything is working correctly, lock your phone and unlock it again using the new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Android lock screen password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Android tips and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.